Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created using this month's December Boxycharm box. And also, if you guys are interested in subscribing to the Boxycharm box, I will link a link down below so you guys could subscribe to the box. I think it's worth it. It's $21 a month, so if you guys are interested, I will link it down below. So before you start watching, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notifications bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and also do not forget to follow me on my social media. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So in this month's Boxycharm, I received this Pretty Vulgar powder, and then I also received this Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, and I also received the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. And then I received this Bodyograph lip pencil in the shade Heatherberry. And last but not least, I received the Suva eyeshadow palette. So I'm pretty much going to be using everything besides the charcoal mask because I already applied my foundation and everything off camera. So I'm going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar powder first. It's actually really cute. It comes with this pink, what is it, puffer, whatever the heck it's called. I'm just taking a dry beauty blender to start baking. And that powder looks like it runs for $32. So now I'm going to be taking the Suva Beauty palette. This palette runs for $34 if you guys are interested in buying it by itself. So from this palette, I'm going to take Era. I'm going to be applying it as my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with Poetic. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Aesthetic. And I'm also going to apply Aesthetic to the bottom lash line. I'm just going in with some concealer to define my eyelid. Next, I'll be taking the shade Structure. Next, going in with this mini taper brush, I'm going back with the shade Aesthetic. Next, for the inner corner, I'm taking Theory. Next, I'm just going to take the It Superhero Mascara. Next, I'm just going to brush off the powder. And I will be applying my eyelashes off camera. I do have a detailed video on how to do that. That will link down below or somewhere on the video, and I'll be right. Next, I'm going to be taking this Pop Beauty Contour 101 Luminous Effect palette. And I'm going to take the shade Sculpt to contour. I'll be taking the shade Blush for blush. Then going back to the Suva palette, I'm going to take the shade Era for highlight. Set everything, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro powder. I'm going to be taking the lip pencil by Bodyograph in the shade Heatherberry. Next, I'm going to be taking the Tarte lip paint. This one's in the shade Insta Famous. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.